Alrighty, my favorite e-learning peeps. Just wanted to touch base with you. I told you we would not have a Zoom meeting today, but that doesn't mean you don't have things you need to do. So I want to make sure that you had all the information you need to be successful as you finish up this week in class. So first things first, I'm going to pull this up here. This will be the page in Canvas. All right, this is going to be very similar to what your view looks like. Okay, so this is the home page for the class. All right, so a couple ways you can get to today's assignment. You can click on modules, or you come over here to assignments, and you come right on down here, and you'll see week of August 31st, Friday, September 4th, and you click on this one that says pretest and mapping, because that's basically what you're doing today, guys. And you'll see that it'll take you directly to the September 4th module. Now, first things first, you'll see this thing that says September 4th instructions. So what that is just like it sounds. You click on that, and it's going to list out your goals for today. So obviously, goal number 1 is watch this instructional video. So when this is done, you've completed it, boom, you got the first thing done. Next thing is take the attendance quiz for today. After that, you're going to complete the assigned pretest, and then there's the really complex name of it. You're going to be doing that in School City. And yes, the pretest does count for a grade. All right. And then the last thing you're going to do is going to be completing what's called the Edpuzzle assignment. All right. So those are your 4 things you need to get done today. All right. Now, as far as the attendance quiz, and the easiest way to get to that is literally you just click next and it'll take you to the attendance quiz. Okay. So the attendance quiz, you come in, you'll click begin. It loads, you click somewhere in here and you click submit, and boom, you're done. All right, so that is to help ensure that you're doing this in a timely fashion. Okay, because again, guys, you're still required to come and do your work in this class during your class time in that sort of that window. I know we're not having the live Zoom meeting today, but you still have to be in class. So this helps to track that right there. So once you click submit, it'll say yay. All right, so you click on somewhere in here, you click submit, tell it submit, yes, you can't change your answers. And you'll say 0 out of 0, that's fine because it's not actually giving you points, but you did get the correct answer, so well done for you. Now, it'll tell you to return. That's going to basically take you back to the home page. So you'll go back into your assignments. You will go down here, you can go down here, go to pretest and mapping. And you've already done the attendance one. Now you're going to go into School City. So School City is going to be where you're going to take that pretest. So you click on School City, and it's going to tell you to open open in a new tab. So you'll click on that. And then right here where it says username and password, that's that ID number that you use all the time to log into everything under the sun, and that password. So basically this is going to be the same login that you use to get into Canvas. So your lunch number, or it's actually your student ID number, or lunch number, and then your password. And you'll click sign in. Now once you get to sign in, what you're going to see is basically you're going to find a square. It's not going to be this big, but it's going to say take assessments. And you're going to click on that, and it's going to flip around. Once you get into that, it's going to flip around. It's going to list the assessments you have available. You probably only have the one from me, but in case you don't, that's why you have that description or the name of the assessment in the instructions that I gave you for today. Okay, so it'll be like grade 8 inventory. It'll say SOC in it. You go, you take it. It's like 25 questions long, and you submit it, and you're done. All right, no worries on that. Now, once you get that done, you can close that out, and you can come back into the module here. And if you literally come down here, see where it says, from this one, it said open new tab. Come down here and click on next. And this is going to take you to the Maps Edpuzzle. Okay, and boom, it's going to be right there for you. Now what's going to happen, this video is going to play, and you're going to have to answer a series of questions related to the video. Now once you get to a particular question, okay, you can have it go back. You can actually click on this. It'll make it bigger for you if you need it to. If you get to a question here, let's see if we can get this started. All right, it's going to play. Blah, blah, blah. All right, and as it goes along, it's going to tell you some really cool things, and it's going to after the questions are going to pop up on the right-hand side for you. Okay, you just answer them, do the best you can with it. It's going to go through. It's really not that long. The video is maybe 6 minutes or so long, and then that's it. And you're done with that. Once you've completed that, boom, you're done for the day. All right, on this. Okay, so again, guys, taking you back to what you need to get done today. All right, so come back in here. We're going to go back into the assignments so you can see your list. All right, so under the September 4th instructions, you have watch the instruction video from Mr. Bailey. That's this video. Take the attendance quiz, which we walk through on how to do. You complete the assigned, what's called pretest, and there's the long convoluted name of it. Right there in School City, we walk through how to do that. Reminder again, the pretest does count for a grade. And then you complete the Ed Puzzle assignment. Now, the other thing you guys need to make sure is that you've completed all the other assignments for this week. So if you happen to have missed a Zoom, or you don't have something turned in, or whatever it is, this is your opportunity. Go ahead, do not get behind during this first week. Go ahead, get everything caught up so you can go into your 3-day weekend. You can enjoy it, relaxing, knowing that you are completely caught up in your U.S. history class. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, I will be available to you. Send me a message. A lot of you are doing a really great job of that. You send me a message on Canvas. Get to it as quickly as I can. Some of it's almost instantaneous back to you. Some of it, sometimes you do have to wait, depending on when you do send it. But I do monitor that not only during the class period, during fourth period, but also throughout the entire day, in between my classes, when I get downtimes and different things. So I do monitor that throughout the day as well to try and keep, get those questions answered for you as soon as I can. All right, guys. So again, any questions, shoot me a message. All right. Hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to seeing you again on Tuesday.